Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2019 F-350 Super Duty. This vehicle is powered by a four-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 6.7-liter engine, and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, four-wheel drive, tow hitch, brake assist, stability control, daytime running lights, four-wheel disc brakes, variable speed intermittent wipers. Inside you'll find backup camera, HD radio, auxiliary audio input, keyless start, MP3 player, power steering, rear bench seat, rear head airbag, driver airbag, pass-through rear seat. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.